Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. We are back with more NFT education, all right? We're gonna highlight another project. We're gonna break it down, and I'm just doing this series to kind of show y'all the different NFTs, just to kind of teach y'all about what they are, because I know the common misconception is, bro, why are we paying money for worthless images, right? So today what we're gonna break down is Omni Legion. Now I came across this actually on Twitter. I don't know if y'all are tapped in to Joe Knows YouTube, but you know he's a fellow YouTuber and somebody I paid attention to for a long time. So when I seen that he was getting in the NFT space, then I had to tap in and check out what he had going on. So let's go ahead and look over his website. Number one, you already know what I'm gonna say. I'm a graphic designer. This jumps out because this is amazing artwork, okay? So I'm already a fan of this project, but it's not just about the artwork, right? Remember, it's three different types of NFTs. There's artsy ones that people that buy paintings in real life would buy. There's collectible utility ones, you know what I'm saying? And then there's gaming, right? This looks to be like a utility collectible one, but we're gonna see where it goes. So meet the Omni guys. The Omni Legion NFT is a collection of 9,999 NFTs that are a part of a celestial world. Each element is powered by one of the 7 elemental gods whose power derives from the sovereign of elements, the creator of elements. Okay, so they kind of getting deep on this one. Okay. About us. We envision the Omni Legion to become heavily involved and exciting project for everyone in our community. We are in this for the long haul. We want to grow as a community and show the world what a bad project like this is. We ultimately want to turn this project into a fully animated YouTube series where your NFTs come to life on the big screen. Wow. This is only the start of something huge. We are super excited, super passionate, and cannot wait to go on this amazing journey with you all. Okay, now, the fact that you're turning this into an animated series and my character could be on that series, if this was anybody else, if this was just anybody, I would say, okay, you know what I'm saying? But this is somebody with a proven record, as far as this is led by someone who knows how to grow a YouTube channel, who knows how to, you know, blow something up, honestly. So we'll go ahead and check him out later on, but I still want to highlight this. I mean, bro, think about this, because it looks like they're, like I said, they're trying to turn it to an anime series. What if you owned the Goku NFT, bro? Crazy, right? So let's meet the team, right? Joe Knows, that's the CEO. This guy is legit. Let's go to his YouTube just for a minute so y'all can see that it's legit. Yeah, he's almost at 1 million subscribers.
We are back on the Comp Pro
for sure. So he's definitely who he says he is, and that's a plus when you talk about something like this. All right, so let's go over the 7 elements, right? You got Water Tribe. The Water Tribe members are cool, calm, and collected. Their sage-like wisdom is contrasted with their destructive power of a tsunami. Fire Tribe members are renowned for their aggression and forged in the flames of eternal rage. Lightning Tribe members are a mischievous bunch, often leaving a trail of scorched destruction wherever they go. Earth Tribe members have a deep connection to Mother Nature, using her power to crush anyone in their path. Air Tribe members have a natural understanding of the atmosphere and have the ability to utilize the air around them, okay? Dark Tribe members thrive in the shadows, using their sly and cunning manipulate people and weaponize their fear, okay? Light Tribe members are known for their purity and ability to shine through even the darkest of times. Water Tribe members are cool, calm, and collected. So we're back at square one with that. So those are all the elements, all right? Now, let's talk about this roadmap, right? Phase 1, reveal trailer, start building our Legion. Phase 2, pre-mint for our whitelisted community members. 10 lucky owners will be airdropped 1 free NFT. Phase 4, at 50% minted, we will raffle off Ethereum as an exclusive community event. That's huge. Phase 5, all 7 1 out of 1 elemental gods will be randomly airdropped to 7 lucky owners that mint at least 2 NFTs. Phase 6, at 100% minted, we will begin writing the script for our upcoming anime series that will bring our NFTs to life. Phase 7, development will begin on our next collection. Owners who own at least 2 NFTs will get 1 free female NFT from the next collection. Okay, that's pretty cool, bro. That's pretty cool. So, bro. Bro, that trailer was hard. Like, I want to watch this animated series, bro. Like, that's you know what? That's what you got to look out for. So this is why this NFT, bro, this is why this is something that we really should pay attention to. And you know, the thing is that when you're looking for NFTs, right, people have to be who they say they are. And this is, first of all, this is who they like when you're talking about an animated series on YouTube, a guy that's closing in on 1 million subscribers is who you would want leading that, right? And then do you see this trailer? Let's go inside their YouTube. Let's go take a look at their Twitter account to see all the engagement that they have. I mean, look at this, bro. This is authentic. This is real, you know, verified account. So you know it's not fake. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is real, bro. This is I like this a lot. I mean, let me know what y'all think about this in the comments. I mean, so far I seen one that I want that black one. I want that black one. Let me know which one y'all think is the hardest in the comments. And as far as the elements, like, you know, it kind of reminds me of Yu-Gi-Oh or Pokemon as far as different powers and stuff like that. So I wonder how that's gonna work as far as within the animated NFT series. But man, make sure you join their Discord, which I will have a link in the description. All right, pre-mint pretty soon on the 5th, and public is on the 6th, both at 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right, now the whitelist is discounted at 0.05 Ethereum and public is 0.06 Ethereum, right? So if you can get whitelisted, get in that Discord and save some money, bro, to get one of these. I promise you they will have value if you're one of the people that's just trying to get a quick flip, or if you're one of those people that kind of see the vision and say, nah, this could go somewhere and I'm in it for the long term, bro. Same for you. So let me know in the comments what y'all think about this project. Your boy Rico, I'm signing out. Let's get it.